Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the chess.com game if you wish. So let's get started right away. If you open up the chess.com game and log out from your account from within, you will find that some of your login information might still be saved. So in order to prevent this, long press on the chess.com application and then tap on the info button at the top right. You will now be taken into the application info page for the chess.com game. Click on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage page, click on clear data at the bottom left and then tap on the delete button, and this will clear all of your user data for the chess.com game. Now after this step, if you open up the chess.com game once again, you will notice that you have been completely logged out from your account. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account on the chess.com game safely and securely. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.